This is the city of Windon with a coordinated test of the emergency alert system for the Galar region. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, regional, and global officials, have designed this system to provide information to the public during emergencies. This test is conducted on the second week of each month. If this was an actual emergency, such as severe weather, amber alert, or franchise fatigue, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.